Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make a simple track piece, a piece of straight track. I'm going to start with my Lego Duplo, and I'm going to use the bottom off of this one because I don't want to do all of the work to recreate that. So what I'm going to do is, while this is open, I'm going to go up to Save As. So that's under File, Save As. I'm going to save it as Straight Simple Track. You can save it as whatever you want, but you want to save it so that it will change what it's called. Therefore, the edits that I make to this piece will not be on my original block. I'll still have that. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to scrape off everything but the bottom 2 inches because that's what I'm interested in. So I'm going to create a sketch and go to a face on the side here. I'm going to create a rectangle. I'm going to place it on that line, and then I'm going to go above and beyond the rest of that. I'm then going to dimension the bottom of this drawn rectangle to be 0.2 from the bottom of that. Now I'm going to extrude what I just created as a cut and scrape off the top of that block. What I left here is 0.2. Now I'm going to add it back solid. So I'm going to hit Sketch. I'm going to choose this top face here, and I am going to left click at the bottom corner, left click at the top corner, hit Finish Sketch, and extrude that back up 0.556. I'm going to, for the math here, I'm just going to do it 0.756 minus the 0.2. Because that original part was 0.2, 756 minus 0.2, that's going to be the 556, obviously, but that's going to give me the proper height. So this edge right here is now 0.756. It has that bottom on there. Now I'm going to go ahead and create my straight track. To do that, I'm going to sketch on the side, and I'm going to place a 1-inch diameter circle at the center top. I'll type 1, hit Enter, and hit Finish Sketch, and then I will extrude that as a cut. And that piece right there will indeed line up with my track as it exists through the Jubilino Marble Run. Thank you.